I know you're here shopping for a gift for that person who's really important to you, and I wanted to come here and tell you I have the Forever Rose right here in my hand, and I have been married to the beautiful Miss Nikki for 15 years now. I love her so much, but I can't tell you how many gifts I have tried to buy and impress that woman. So I have a keen sense of what makes a great gift, and I'm feeling like this is an absolute winner. Let me tell you a little bit about it in a sense so you know what you're looking at. So this is actually a real rose that is dipped in 24 karat gold. They have all different kinds of varieties, colors, birthstones, that kind of stuff that you can choose. Because they are real roses, they are all unique, they all look individual, they look amazing. They're gonna look great wherever your partner decides he or she wants to display it. They are really cool. Oh, an additional value add is they come in this cool gift box. So if you're able, I struggle with it, but if you're able to sneak that Amazon box past your partner and get to open it yourself, it is ready to hand to them in a really finished gift box. It looks great. Overall, if you're looking for a great gift for that partner, you have come to the right place. This is definitely a really good choice. I'm gonna give it a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. I would definitely recommend this highly as a gift for whoever you care about.